Hello everyone, my name is Sachin Kharbas. I am final year student pursuing BTech in Mechanical Engineering from Government Engineering College Ajmer. My college ID is 17ME57. I am here to present a seminar presentation on recent advancement and challenges in four-wheel steering drive system under the guidance of Mr. Moolchand Khatri, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department. In this presentation, we are going to learn about basics of steering system, what is four-wheel steering system, its types, features of four-wheel steering system, what is active four-wheel steering system, what are the challenges in conventional steering system, recent advancement in four-wheel steering system, its advantages, disadvantages, application and some examples. Introduction to steering system. Up to mid-1950s, most of the car suffers from oversteer due to uncontrolled movement of rear axle caused by spring deflection. To improve stability, most of the cars are designed to exhibit understeer characteristics when driven at high speeds. Steering of a vehicle is possible if the front wheel is moving without any lateral slip. The front wheels are supported on the front axle so that they can swing to the left or right for steering. This movement is produced by gearing and linkage between the steering wheel and steering knuckle or wheel. The complete arrangement is called steering system. The requirements of steering system are: it should multiply the turning effort applied on the steering wheel by the driver. It should be to a certain degree irreversible so that the shocks of the road surface encountered by the wheels are not transmitted to the driver's hand. The mechanism should have self-rightening effect. What is four-wheel steering system? The first four-wheel steering system was developed in 1893 by British engineer Joseph Diplock. Four-wheel steering system, also called rear wheel steering or all-wheel steering, provides a means to actively steer the rear wheels during turning maneuvers. It improves handling and helps the vehicle to make tighter turns. Types of four-wheel steering system. First, mechanical four-wheel steering system. The mechanical four-wheel steering system uses two separate steering gears to control the front and rear wheels. This system finds application in off-highway vehicles such as forklifts, agricultural and construction equipments, and mining machineries. A steel shaft connects the two steering gearboxes. Second, hydraulic four-wheel steering system. In hydraulic four-wheel steering system, the rear wheel turns only in the same direction as the front wheels. It implies it is used in lane changing process at higher speeds. They also turn no more than 5.5 degrees. The system only activates at speeds above 30 miles per hour. Does not operate when the vehicle moves in reverse direction. A two-wheel hydraulic cylinder mounted on the rear stub frame turns the wheels. Here is the systematic diagram of hydraulic four-wheel steering system. It mainly consists of fluid reserve tank, control valve, front steering pump, steering wheel, rear steering pump, rear steering piston, and rear power cylinder. Third, electro-hydraulic four-wheel steering system. In this design, a speed sensor and steering wheel angle sensor feed information to the electronic control unit. The three factors, road speed, amount of steering wheel turn, and the quickness of the steering wheel turn, are interpreted by the ECU to maintain continuous and desired steer angle of the rear wheels. At low speeds below 33 miles per hour, the yoke is in its downward position, which results in the rear wheels steering in the counterface direction. At high speeds above 33 miles per hour, the control yoke swings up through a neutral position to an up position. In the neutral position, the rear wheels steer in the phase with the front wheels. Stepper motor action eventually causes a push or pull movement of its output shaft to steer the rear wheels up to a maximum of 5 degrees in either direction. Features of four-wheel steering drive. To achieve precise vehicle movement in response to the driver's steering inputs. The steering angle when parking is reduced by about 30% compared with a front wheel steering vehicle. The high performance actuator and ECU are newly developed and combined with more precise control logic. They add up to instant response, making it easy to drive exactly the line you want. Active four-wheel steering system. In most active four-wheel steering system, the rear wheels are steered by a computer or an actuator. Using active four-wheel steering system, the car can automatically compensate for an understeer or oversteer problem. The main objective of these systems was to assist the front wheels in steering and not steering itself, and thus the rear wheels could only turn to 2 to 3 degrees. Modes of active four-wheel steering system. First, slow speeds rear steer mode. At slow speeds of about 10 to 40 km per hour, the rear wheels turns in the opposite direction to the front wheels. This is known as counterphase steering and allows the vehicle to have a smaller turning radius for better agility. It can reduce the turning circle radius by 25%. Second, high speeds carb mode. At high speeds above 60 or 80 km per hour, the rear wheel turns in the same direction to the front wheels. At high speeds, turning the rear wheel through an angle in the same direction to the front wheels might lead to vehicle's instability and thus unstable. This is known as in-phase steering, and with the help of good designing, it allows the vehicle to be more stable during the high-speed cornering. Third, zero turning circle radius 360-degree mode. The four wheels have fully independent steering and needs to turn in an unconventional direction to ensure that the vehicle turns around its own axis. A conventional rack and pinion steering with pitman arms would not be suitable for this mode, since the two front wheels are steered in opposite direction. Steer-by-wire systems would work fine, however, since independent control can be achieved. Challenges in conventional steering system. Conventional two-wheel steering mechanism car tends to understeer or influence oversteer. Unstable at high speed cornering, steering responsiveness and precision are insignificant. Larger turning radius, unstable in rapid lane changing maneuvers. Recent advancement. First, path tracking. Automatic path tracking is based on sliding mode control theory. The automatic four-wheel steering controller has more stable and more precise path tracking capability than two-wheel steering controller. The automatic four-wheel steering controller has robust stability against system uncertainties such as cornering power perturbation, path radius fluctuation, and wind cross disturbance. Second, computer controlled steering system. The computer controlled steering system used to improve the ability of such vehicles to resist external side forces such as that which occur when traversing steep slopes. Using an onboard computer utilizing a specially developed software algorithm to positively control the steer angles of the non-driven wheels. Usually these are casters. The software algorithm uses the mathematical relationships between the drive wheel speeds and the steer angles of the non-driven wheels. The algorithm ensures that the turning radius is produced by the drive wheel's speed is same as that produced by the steer angles. Advantages. First, better steering response. Your vehicle will respond faster to the steering that you perform overall. This allows your steering to be more precise and controllable on the road. Second, cornering stability. When you are going around a corner in a vehicle, four-wheel steering will give you control and stability as you drive. This especially comes in handy if the road is wet. Third, smaller radius while turning. Because you can turn the rear wheels in the opposite direction of the front wheels, this allows you to make smaller circular turns at lower speeds. Fourth, better on tougher terrains. If you live in an area with a lot of dirt roads or possibly snowy roads in the winter, then you will want a vehicle with four-wheel steering to help you drive better on these difficult terrains. Fifth, straight line stability. If you are driving your vehicle down a straight road, the four-wheel steering will give you the best suitability you could ever want. Sixth, easy lane changing. If you are traveling fast on a road and wants to change lanes quickly, you can easily do with the four-wheel steering system. Seventh, parallel parking. Disadvantages. First, higher risk of malfunction. Second, pricey. Third, potential repairs. Fourth, more components means more weight to vehicle. Fifth, complex Links are used to connect front and rear wheels. Applications: parking, junctions, slippery road surfaces, narrow roads, high-speed straight lane operation, U-turns. Examples: Acura RLX, Audi A8, Ferrari A12 Superfast, Lamborghini Aventador, Mazda RX-7, Mitsubishi 3000 GT, Porsche Panamera, Nissan Skyline R34 GTR are the some examples of four-wheel steering system. Mercedes-Benz revolutionizes rear-wheel steering in the 2021 S-Class, offering approximately 15% more direct steering ratio to the front wheels than earlier versions. It also introduced an all-new 10-degree turn angle for the rear axle. Active telemetry from the radar, cameras and ultrasonic sensors is fed into the system, which adapts the steering angle to the relevant situations. The turning circle of the car is decreased by 2 meters. Thank you. I hope you are able to learn about four-wheel steering system and its future aspects and application in the field of automobile engineering.